Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display a custom message on lock screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, displaying custom message on lock screen allows you to provide essential emergency contact information such as your name, emergency contacts, or medical conditions. This information can be crucial for first responders or individuals who may need to assist you in case of an emergency. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here enter to the personalization. Then find out the lock screen option and tap to open it. So within this menu, select the Add Text on Lock Screen option. After that, enter the text or message you want to display on the lock screen, such as a message or contact information like email or phone number. Okay, finally click on Save to apply the changes. Okay, this feature allows you to add a custom text that can serve as message, emergency contacts details, or any other information you find important to display on the lock screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display a custom message on lock screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.